Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create faux tan lines on Dress to Impress using these VIP items. You need, again, VIP items for this. Let me remove everything. Here, you are going to just select the skin tone you have and you're going to just save it in your palette. Then you're going to grab this item. And I'm just going to color it like blue and white. You can color it whatever you want. Then on the straps, you're going to color it that same color as your skin, but you're just going to make it a little bit lighter, if not like super light. But if it's super light, it will look very fake. So maybe make it just a little bit brighter, like this maybe. Then use these jean skirt, and then in the last toggle, again color it the same as the first one in matte. And that is how you can create faux tan lines on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.